USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. So it says join a free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers on the platform right here. So go and sign up with these brokers to trade with my signals in that account only. Subscribe, like, share, join, blah, blah, blah. Coming back to the chart, starting at top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are down. So it's in the downtrend from weekly chart. And then coming back to daily, in daily, we might be taking a pullback. So you have to look for this low, which has not broken. Okay, so this red candle was not broken by this red candle. So this is time probably for a pullback. Okay. So not saying that this is the trend reversal, but this was the downtrend. So we might take a pullback, then go down again. So let's see. For now, I think a dollar is going up. So we might see activity going towards the upside in USD CAD. So let's get back to 4 hour to see what's going to happen. I think so. Okay. I think what's going to happen in 4 hour that we will touch the EMA, rejection will come and then will go down. Time will tell. Okay, so if this high is broken, then look for longs after the pullback. So let's say next blue candle closes above this high, then let the pullback happen, then go long. But I think with my experience, we will go long until the EMA rejection will come, and then you will have the red candle to go down again. Time will tell. Okay, I'm expecting, because see, when the market opens on Monday, US market is the last market to open, which means first your NZD market will open, then IUD market will open, then Japanese market will open, then your London market will open, and in the end, US market will open. So until that, we have like 15 hours before the market opens on Monday for USA. Until that time, for next 12 hours, for next maybe 12 hours, this might carry on going up. That's only my assumption. Okay, so it might carry on going up until the US market opens and reject the EMA, and then when the US market will open, that it will start coming down. Okay, so keep your your eyes open, and as I said, wait for the rejection from the EMA before going short. So again, I'm repeating myself. My assumption is we should touch the EMA, reject it, and then wait for the red candle and then go down. Otherwise, wait for this high to break, then pull back, and then blue candle, and then go long. So I think for now, I don't see a trade in this USD CAD for next 12 hours. So we'll have to wait for my next video. Otherwise, just take your call or just go and watch my other videos. And we have too many pairs to trade, so it's okay. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and do all of that. And join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.